Home buyers, are you thinking what is causing the low housing inventory in your area? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker from the Bay Area. Over this year, housing market has experienced lower than normal inventory levels. So, why is this? It is a combination of three factors coming together at the same time to create this situation. Lack of building over time. For the last 14 years, builders did not construct enough homes, which has caused a long-standing shortage of new homes. Total new homes built over the last 14 years have been below the 52-year average. Mortgage rates. Some homeowners who are locked in with low mortgage rates do not want to sell and get into a higher mortgage rate. This means fewer existing homes are coming into the market. And finally, people are not just moving. Today's data is following folks are just not moving as quickly anymore. Since 2010, area shows that people are living in their house longer for an average of 9+ years versus 6 years prior to 2010. Combining all these factors creates a low housing supply, but with all that said, real estate agents know exactly where to look in their local area to still make your home buying dream a reality. We are experts in the market. If you would like more information on the current housing market, please reach out to my team. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Let us help you to plan your next move. Thanks for watching and have a great day.